Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, what are you doing, little bird? You're not in your home. Okay, he's gonna try to bite this bird. Oh, look at his big feet. Cute. Oh, he's itchy.
Walk down and see that girl with those birds. She's sitting right in there with them.
Look at his feet. Oh, it's a lizard. I can't handle their feet. Their feet are so cute. Look at those little feet swimming. Cute, 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 cute.
Oh, look at the little
baby. Oh, that's cute.
at the fish.
Look how big his freaking honking feet are. I can't believe how tiny that little ducky is. Oh, that goose is going after him. Goodbye.
Welcome to Kilimanjaro Safari.
Oh, I thought that was ours. I thought that was ours. I think they're going to the, oh, they're going to the other side. That was sad. I thought that was ours. Oh, here it is. I hope.
Careful, careful. And remember to watch your shoulders.
So you guys are here for a safari, right? You guys want to see some animals, right?
Yeah!
Right. They don't make that kind of noise. That's the Okapi. Hey, if you guys think the Okapi look cool, you should see the original.
Where is he? There he is.
And a bunch of you finally got that one. All right, looking for the black rhino. There's one over here. The good thing is you can see it. The bad thing is it's the hiney. So they have a little prehensile triangle-shaped lip that hangs over their mouths, makes it easier to pick up their food.
Oh, there he is.
Rhino right there. Yeah. A full-grown black rhino is only 3,000 pounds.
Nice.
That's as big as they get. That's as big as they get.
Oh, look at his big horns. You would not want to be squeezed by that.
Look carefully to the right. There's a kudu, the light-brown coat of the kudu. They look like deer, but they're not deer. They're the second largest to the field antelope. Kudu. Female kudu do not have horns. However, the male kudu do. Kudu do.
Look at him eating. He's so cute.
Look to your left.
Look at his little
Couple
back.
hippos there. There were more earlier. Don't know where they are now. Only islands are a pod of pelicans. Those are pinbacks. They get the pink coloring right around
Oh
mating
my
season.
god.
These are pinkback pelicans.
They're like, goodbye.
They don't have the pink coloring now because it's not mating season, but you would see it under the wings by their tail feathers. There's a hippo over there. We'll just kind of meander further along until the other truck gets out of the way.
Oh, their water looks so nice.
I'm gonna try and skirt the edge of the coast here.
Oh
Get
my
them
god.
some more hippos.
Oh yeah, you can
Turkey
really see them.
vultures.
That was cool.
Turkey vultures.
Well, those are the bad guys.
Crocodile measuring 18 to 20 feet long.
We don't like
A
turkey
group of crocodile
vultures.
on land. They can bite down with a force of 2,000 pounds per square inch. That'll crush human bone. But now we're gonna switch ecosystems. 3 months out of the year, the branches will grow leaves, generally during the rainy season. Of course,
right
it's
there.
not the rainy season now, as you can tell by the lack of leaves on those rather thick root-like branches.
On the right,
The
Mom.
baobab. And we've reached to the point where we have to wait a moment, because the other truck hasn't cleared the overlook. The view that we're striving so hard to protect for future generations. It's over here, there they are.
Oh, they're so warm.
Your homework is to look up the sound of wild dogs, the blood-curdling, spine-tingling, fear-inducing cry. It really will change your life. More on that later.
Ooh, oh my gosh, he's on his back.
See, they are cute, aren't they? They're adorable. But those are mean animals. You do not want those as pets. But they are cute. No, you wouldn't. The gnu, spelled G-N-U, pronounced new, not gnu, just new for the grunting noises they make. Wildebeest do the same thing. Hey, we as humans have 7 bones in our neck. 7.
Oh my god.
They'll use that tongue to rip those leaves out if they could.
Oh.
17 inches that tongue can stick out of their mouth.
Keep them cool.
Well, it's not to fly. It's to cool off. Yeah, they have their veins and arteries in the backs of the ears by their head. Flap on their ears sends air current on their body, dropping their temperature 10 to 15 degrees. Oh yeah. Over here I do see a flamboyance. A flamboyance is a group of flamingo. These are the greater flamingo. They get the pink coloring from the brine shrimp in their diet. The brine shrimp give them the beta carotene they need to turn pink. Otherwise, when born, the flamingo looks like a dirty white cotton ball with gray legs. Did you ever think you'd get to see a white rhino that close?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
They look like
They may not
triceratops.
be able to see very well, but those horns are huge. And those ears, look at those ears. They use those ears like radar dishes. That's a girl because they're drab, gray, and brown. The other animal down there, that is a bontebok. The word means colorful buck. Bontebok. And then you see the ostrich eggs.
And then there you can see a zebra butt. That's about it. Oh, there's a meerkat. Look, 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 look. There's a meerkat. Timon? Timon? Bailey, look at him. Hello? Hello? What's the vine, Bailey? Bob? No, that's a goat. What does the meerkat say? Oh, look at Bailey. Look at them coming out. Hello? Oh my god, they're so effing cute. Why? Okay, meerkats are really funny. Why do you think he stands like that? How freaking cute. Look at their little ears. Oh, that one's a little feisty over there. He's kicking. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. He's watching over the zebras. And he's like, goodbye. Mom, look at down here. There's the little baby. Oh my god, they're so tiny. Oh my god. That is so crazy. Oh, is that the mummy? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the baby. Look at the baby. Oh my god, it doesn't even look real. That is crazy. Oh my god. You want to go behind me, Bailey, so you can see? Look at him. Oh my gosh. Popcorn? He's picking the popcorn up. He's picking the popcorn up.
He's going after the wrong monkey.
No, I don't think so. No, look. Oh, he's gonna hit him with a tree. Stop. Oh my god. The other one's just like eating in the background.
Well, where is it? Who's the mother? That one over there?
What was that?
Who's the mother? Look at the baby.
Look at the mother. There's two moms here.
You know, on the front clip of the...
Look how cute he is.
No, there's a 120-minute wait right now.
Oh my god, look at my shoes. Yeah, and the park closed.
Okay.
Oh my god, this is so cool. And over there? Oh, those are cute. They look like little salt rocks. Oh my god, this is crazy. It's look at the water. bunny. That's cute. Look at the dinosaurs. Wow.